Today, we're going to tackle a common obstacle faced by many forex traders: analysis paralysis. If you find yourself drowning in data and unable to make timely decisions, this video is for you. Stay tuned to discover how to break free from analysis paralysis and take your trading game to the next level. Let's dive in. Understanding analysis paralysis. Before we delve into the solutions, let's understand what analysis paralysis is and why it happens. Analysis paralysis occurs when traders become overwhelmed by an excessive amount of data and indicators on their charts. This abundance of information leads to indecision and missed trading opportunities. Now, you might be wondering why having more choices isn't always a good thing. Well, limiting the number of indicators you use can actually lead to more effective analysis and quicker decision-making. Simplify your approach. One effective strategy to combat analysis paralysis is to simplify your trading approach. Consider starting with naked trading. That means trading without indicators initially. This approach can help you develop a better understanding of price action and improve your decision-making process. By focusing on the most crucial aspects of trading, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions without being bogged down by excessive data. Set time limits. Time is of the essence in forex trading, and setting time limits can significantly boost your decision-making speed. Give yourself a specific time frame to analyze the market and make a trade. Remember, not deciding is a decision in itself, and prolonged hesitation can lead to missed opportunities. Embrace the fact that not every trade will be perfect, but timely decisions can lead to profitable outcomes. Develop a solid trading plan. A well-structured trading plan is crucial for successful trading. Define your goals, entry and exit points, risk management strategy, and overall trading approach. Having a clear plan will help you stay focused on what matters most and reduce the risk of getting lost in unnecessary details. Moreover, a simpler plan with fewer components to analyze will enable you to make faster and more confident decisions. Manage emotions and build confidence. Analysis paralysis often stems from trading anxiety, influenced by emotions. To overcome this, educate yourself about trading psychology and learn how to manage emotions effectively. Building confidence in your trading abilities is essential. If you find yourself hesitating too often, reassess your trading plan and make the necessary adjustments. The more confident you are in your plan, the easier it will be to avoid analysis paralysis. Congratulations! You've now equipped yourself with the knowledge to overcome analysis paralysis in forex trading. Remember, simplicity, time management, and a solid trading plan are the keys to success. So take a deep breath, trust your instincts, and let go of the fear.